Fill up, Chase. Fill up with water. There we go. And squirt it in there. Okay, now we gotta fill up our water. Here it goes. Here you go. Hi guys, look at this cute new fridge we have here. And we have Skye and Chase who are here to look at stuff with us. So look, it even has a cute little window. You can see what's inside. So let's go ahead and open it up. Let's put Skye and Chase there to keep the doors open. And look. Ooh. Hey there. First, look, we have a cute little cake. Ooh, it's carrot cake too. So look, when we put it in here, it's cake, all right. So there's our first thing. Let's see, let's look at our next one. Look at this. This says fresh milk. So let's put our fresh milk right here. Look what we have down here. Oh look, we have a cute little owl. And look, it opens up and it actually goes up here on the top of the fridge. Oh my goodness, they're crazy about the milk. Let's see what's next. Look, we also got some strawberry. This is a giant strawberry. What happens when we put it here? Ooh. Let's see what else we have. We also have a corn on the cob. Corn on the cob. What's this? It's a fish. It's a blue fish too. And oh my goodness, look, we have some ice cream. It even says sweet. Yum. Ice cream. Do you hear that? He said ice cream. And look, this right here controls the temperature. Let's make sure it's nice and cold. And look what else we have. We have some blueberry. This looks like blueberry ice cream. Yeah, it's very good. Okay, and let's see what's in our door. That was a fun song. And look, we also have some fresh salmon. Some pineapple. And some tomato juice. Okay, so now let's put everything away where it should go. Like our fresh salmon can go in the door, back with our juice. And then look down here, it shows vegetables. So let's grab our vegetable, and also there's some fruit, so let's put our strawberry there too. Let's close that up. And then here has milk, so let's put our milk away right there. And let's see, let's put our cake up there. Well, actually, we need to move our fish down here. We can put our cake there. With our fish. And our ice cream goes in the ice box. And now we're gonna fill this up. You can fill this up with water. So we got our cute little chase head. And we got some water. So we're gonna fill Chase up with some water. Fill up, fill up. Then we're gonna squirt it in here. Gotta fill them up a lot because that holds quite a bit of water. Fill up, Chase, fill up with water. There we go. And squirt it in there. There. And now we can close our fridge. And now we're going to get our cute little cup with our fridge and we're gonna fill it up. Let's put our owl back on. Okay, now we gotta fill up our water. Here it goes. Look, there's some water in there. Let's fill it up all the way. There. Look how full it is. Here, let's have Chase drink some water. Drink some more, Chase. That is some good water. Here you guys go, drink some water. Okay, let's get some more. Look how much it is. We have a whole nother cupful. Here you go. That is so refreshing. Let's see how much more there is. Oh, I think that's it. That's all that's left. Yum. All right, there went all of our water and we looked and saw all of our food. Whoops. Say bye to Skye and Chase. Bye, everyone. Bye. Bye.
Bye-bye.
Oh my goodness. Hi guys, we have a major problem today. Look at all of our Paw Patrol. They're giant water toys, but we don't have any water, so they want to turn back into their normal selves. But how are we going to do that? Why don't we go ahead and open up the microwave and see what we can do. Oh my goodness. Look at all of those gumballs. Look, we even have Robo-Dog and Ryder who are stuck as these big water toys. They just want to be their normal toys, normal selves. So how are we going to do it? Let's go ahead and try putting one of these guys in the microwave. Our magical microwave, and see what happens. Let's start with Zuma. Oh, Zuma's just stuck spinning his arms forever. Okay, let's put him in here and see if we can fix him. Make it feel a little better. Which button should we do? Let's do the popcorn button. Look what we did! We got normal Zuma back! Oh, thank goodness. Zuma, do you feel better now that you're normal? Oh, I feel so much better. Whew, my arms were getting so tired from spinning for so long. Whew. Alrighty then. Whew, we got Zuma all normal, thank goodness. Okay, then let's go ahead and do our next one. Our next one, let's do Marshall's head. He's just a big squishy head right now. I hope we get the rest of his body back. Let's go ahead and try. This time, let's do the pizza button. Can you see what happened? Marshall turned into his super pup normal version. Marshall, how do you feel? Oh, I feel so good. Look, I can feel my legs and my cute little tail. Oh, good. I'm so happy. Whew. Not just my head anymore. Oh, good. Yep, look, now we got Zuma and Marshall back. That's awesome. All right, let's keep going. Who should we do next? How about Robo-Dog? He's a water squirter right now. You can squeeze him like crazy. All right then. Let's close this up. And this time, let's do the chicken button. And let's try to get a normal Robo-Dog. Oh yay, look! We got normal Robo-Dog! Look at him. He's all normal and ready to ride. Woo! Oh, thank goodness. How you feeling, Robo-Dog? Funny little dog. All right, let's keep going with the other Paw Patrol. This time, let's do Chase's head. I think Chase is ready to be normal again. Let's do this hot chocolate button. Check it out! We got normal Chase. He's a super pup like Marshall. That's awesome. Oh my goodness. How are you feeling, Chase? Oh, so good. Check out my leg. Look, I can move it. Woohoo! No more just head. That's right. Look at you guys looking all good. All right, next up, let's do Rocky. Oh my goodness, look at his crazy mermaid tail. Merpup. Let's change him back to normal too. Oh good, look! We got normal Rocky! Oh, except look, he's a pup foo ninja pup. Look how awesome. Oh my goodness. That's pretty sweet. Pretty cool. Look at all of our Paw Patrol. Okay, next up, let's do Ryder. He doesn't want to be a squeezy water toy anymore either. Check out Ryder! Oh, he looks so sweet with his goggles on. And look, we even have his little skateboard. Woo. Whoa! Good thing, Ryder, we missed ya. Oh, I feel so good now. Woo! Oh, good. We only have one Paw Patrol left to do. Look, it's Skye. Look at her crazy eyeballs. Let's get our normal Skye back. Oh, look. We got some super pup Skye. Oh my goodness, look. We got all of our normal Paw Patrol now. You guys all so happy? Yeah, we're so happy. Oh, good. Alrighty then. Say bye to the magical microwave and Paw Patrol. Bye.
Bye-bye. Please subscribe.
Time to watch more videos.